Question number next two cube have their volume in the ratio 1 is to 27. Then find the ratio of their surface area. Okay, means there is two cube and the ratio of their volume is given 1 is to 27, and now we find the ratio of their surface area. So first we draw two cubes. Suppose there is a first cube and this is the second cube, and suppose the side of the first cube is A and the side of the second cube is A dash. Okay, A dash. Now, and there is given the ratio of their volume. Suppose V1 is the volume of first cube and V2 is the volume of second cube. So now V1 upon V2 is already given 1 upon 27, 1 upon 27, and volume of a cube is equal to side cube. Now we put the A cube upon A dash cube is equal to 1 upon 27, right? And we can take the power is common, so we can write to A upon A dash whole cube is equal to 1 by 27, and A upon A dash is equal to cube root of 1 upon 27. Okay, and cube root of 27 is equal to 3, so we can write A upon A dash is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, here we find the ratio of their side. A upon A upon A dash is equal to 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. And in question find the ratio of their surface area. Now we can find the surface area S1 upon S2. Suppose that surface area of a first cube is S1 and the surface area of a second is S2. Suppose that. Okay. S2 is surface area of a second cube and S1 is the surface area of a first cube. So the find the ratio of surface area, their surface area, then ratio S1 upon S2 equal to 6 into A square upon 6 into A dash square, right? We know the surface area of a cube equal to 6 into side square. So first cube side equal to A, so 6 into A square, and second cube side is A dash, then surface area equal to 6 into A dash square. Okay, then 6 cancel out, 6 is 6 cancel out. Now cut is equal to A square upon A dash square. Okay, and now we can also write A upon A dash whole square, because power is same, so we can take the common A upon A dash whole square. Okay, and A upon A dash, the value of A upon A dash is already given 1 by 3. Now the value A upon A dash equal to 1 by 3 put, so S1 upon S2 is equal to 1 by 3 square. Okay, A upon A dash is equal to 1 by 3 from above. So 1 square equal to 1 and 3 square equal to 9. So the ratio, so S1 upon S2 equal to 1 by 9. So look here. So S1 upon S2 is equal to 1 by this 9. So then ratio is also equal to 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Okay, confirm? V1 upon V2 equal to 1 by 27, and volume of Q equal to AQ. So AQ upon A dash Q equal to 1 by 27, and A upon A dash whole Q equal to 1 by 27, and take the cube root. So A1 upon A dash equal to 1 by 3, means the ratio their side. Okay, now find the S1 upon S2, where S1 and S2 is the surface area of first cube and second cube, and surface area equals 6 into A square upon 6 A dash square. Now 6 is cancelled out, A square upon A dash square. Now we can take the common square, A upon A dash square, and the value of A upon A dash is already given, 1 by 3. Now put the value. Put the value 1 by 3 square equal to 1 by 9, and we can also write here S1 upon S2 equal to 1 by 9, and in the ratio form S1 is to S2 equal to 1 upon 1 is to 9. Okay, thank you.